Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fanda Ardiansyah. I am from class B. The article title is Examining the Teacher Candidates TPSCK Competencies, Evidence from 4 Teacher Education Programs. Was written by a team of research Nova Susanti, Amirul Mukminin, Leni Marzulina, Kasih Harto, Hadianto, Rafiza Abdul Rozak, Dian Erlina, Muhammad Hollandia, Florante P. Ibarra, Fridianto, Muazza, Sofia Amin, and Ahmad Habibi. The authors come from several universities, including our universities Jambi, Universitas Islam Negara Devata Palembang, the University of Malaya, and Central Luzon State University. The main purpose of this study was to identify which items or statements in the TPSCK instrument were valid to measure the teacher candidates' competencies. TPSCK stands for Technological, Pedagogical, and Content Knowledge. The research aimed to ensure that each question in the questionnaire was reliable and could accurately measure how well teacher candidates integrate technology into their teaching and learning activities. This research used a quantitative cross-sectional survey design, meaning that the data were collected at one point in time from a group of participants. The research used various statistical analyses to test the validity and reliability of the TPSCK instrument. This method helped them understand how different components of TPSCK technology, pedagogy, and content are connected to each other in the teaching process. The study was conducted at a public university in Indonesia with 400 teacher candidates as participants. These participants came from 4 study programs: physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics, with each program represented by 100 students. The sampling technique used was stratified proportionate random sampling, which ensured that every study program was fairly represented in the research sample. Data were collected using a questionnaire consisting of 75 statements related to 7 aspects of TPSCK: technology knowledge, content knowledge, pedagogical knowledge, pedagogical content knowledge, technological content knowledge, technological pedagogical knowledge, and TPSCK itself. Each item was inserted using a 5-point Likert scale ranging from strongly disagree to strongly agree. The questionnaire was distributed online through Google Forms between January and March 20 and 21. After data collection, the research analyzed the result using Smart PLS 3.0 software with the partial least square structural equation modeling technique. This method is often used to analyze models with many variables. Reliability was tested using a Cronbach alpha, and all variables scored above 0.70, which means they were reliable. The validity was tested using floating factors. Average variance extracted, and the formal criterion to ensure that all items measure what they were supposed to measure. From the total 75 statements, only 27 were found valid to measure TPSCK competencies. These 27 valid items were divided into different categories: 4 items for technology knowledge, 3 for content knowledge, 6 for pedagogical knowledge, 4 for pedagogical content knowledge, 4 for technological content knowledge, 3 for technological pedagogical knowledge, and 3 for TPSCK itself. The result also showed that the basic knowledge areas, content, pedagogy, and technology, and the second level knowledge areas, and had different impacts on how TPSCK develops. This means that teachers' ability to integrate technology in their teaching depends on how these different knowledge components interact and support each other. The study's findings are consistent with previous research. Mishra and Kohler first introduced the TPSCK framework to explain how teachers combine content, pedagogy, and technology. Baran et al. And Pamuk et al. also studied the relationships among these components and developed instruments to measure TPSCK competence. Similarly, Habibi et al. found that the teacher's access to digital technology. This study shows that the PSEK is a valuable model to understand and evaluate how future teachers use technology in education. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.